How to optimize engineering effort with the Value Stream Management Dashboard. Managing software development projects can be challenging, especially when multiple teams and stakeholders are involved. The Value Stream Management Dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of the software development process, allowing you to monitor key metrics and optimize your value stream. With real-time data from your Git and PM tools, the dashboard helps you identify bottlenecks, reduce waste, and increase efficiency across your software development teams. Let's dig into each metric. First, let's look at the value stream workload categorization chart. This metric breaks down tasks across broad categories based on pull request labels. It allows you to assess how workload is shared, identify irregular trends, and pinpoint stress periods. By leveraging this visualization, you can optimize workload distribution, improve team efficiency, and ensure that development efforts align with business priorities. Like all Keypup's metrics and dashboards, you can apply and modify filters or adjust the drill-down report to suit your needs. Next, let's look at the project effort distribution. This heat map provides quantitative measures to understand how development efforts are spread across projects, detect development patterns, and ensure that current development priorities align with business-level priorities. This information is crucial for effective value stream management and can help you adjust workflows accordingly. Now, let's look at the planned versus unplanned work ratio metric. This pie chart shows the breakdown between planned and unplanned pull requests over a selected time period. Planned pull requests are those that resolve one or more issues via auto-closing keywords, while orphan pull requests do not resolve any issue and are considered as unplanned work. By using this metric, you can identify bad habits and inefficiencies in project scoping and engineering practices, such as incomplete or informal scoping and pull requests that are not properly associated with issues. Let's look at the value stream engineering proficiency metric. With this heat map, you can assign engineers to projects based on their proficiency and ensure that their knowledge is being developed across various projects to avoid a critical skills gap. This will optimize the value stream and ensure that engineers are being utilized in the most efficient and effective way possible, leading to improved productivity and better outcomes. Let's look at the engineering workload distribution. This metric measures the number of pull requests created per user and per label, providing insights into the types of tasks individual engineers have been working on. By identifying patterns of compartmentalization, you can ensure that engineers are not always working on the same tasks, improving their well-being and skills development. Finally, let's look at the engineering work pattern analysis. This metric provides insights into the number of commits handled per user daily. By analyzing the working patterns of the engineers and the team, this metric provides valuable insights into the health of the development process. Understanding and optimizing the working patterns of engineers is critical for improving team performance and reducing stress on individual team members. The Value Stream Management Dashboard provides unique insights into your software development process. By tracking and analyzing these metrics, you can identify bottlenecks, reduce waste, and increase efficiency across your software development teams. This dashboard provides a comprehensive view of your software development process, helping you optimize workflows based on your unique goals and processes. The VSM dashboard can help you monitor and improve your value stream, ensuring that you're delivering value to your customers and stakeholders. If you need assistance to leverage this dashboard or to build your own custom metrics, ping us via the chat or send us an email at support@keypup.io. Our team is more than happy to help you get started.